Hello and welcome everyone to Gold Asset of the Day, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. Firstly, you knew it, we knew it. Gold was absolutely a massive buy opportunity last week when we broke all the way down to 1,614 US dollars per ounce. We have seen an immense move in the last week, just under 1,000-point move to the upside. Silver prices, of course, they also broke out 9% yesterday. We have also seen platinum prices, they've surged to the upside over an 800-point move. You, ourselves, of course, we were all over this, as you know. If you go back and watch all of our content from last week, we've been talking you through multiple opportunities to get in here to generate wealth extremely quickly. As you can imagine here at the Gold and Silver Club, we've been able in the last week to build into 21 positions on commodities. Our current open positions are 6,500 points profit that ourselves, all of our clients are benefiting from on the metals in just the last week here. Yes, I'll say that again. That's 6,500 points profit. So for every 10 lot contract you'd be trading, that's $650,000 of profit. For every 1 lot contract that you would be trading, that's $65,000 of profit. Now again, all of this we've capitalized on with you in the last week. We've been talking you through this, so you should be fully on top of this. However, 99% of the market has not. We've been absolutely inundated at the Gold and Silver Club with emails, messages, comments just regarding the fact that 99% of the market has been on completely the wrong side of this trade, mega bearish, expecting much lower prices for the metals, and have basically been rug pulled here with this significant breakout that we've seen since the Bank of England unlimited QE was announced last week. Now, lots of people didn't quite cotton on what that would mean for the markets. Within 24 hours, we then saw China come out and also state that they would be looking to do QE as we go into the final quarter of this year. And of course, on Monday, we have an emergency Fed meeting, and we also had the UN, which chimed in, essentially stating that they do not feel additional increases in interest rates by the US Federal Reserve is the way to go. And with that, markets exploded to the upside. So again, we're in an absolute windfall amount of profit here, which is a perfect position to be in. Ideally, you are as well. If you've been following our content, following our channel, you know exactly what we've been deploying here. So let me just talk you through it. Last week, we built into 6 new positions on gold. We built into 4 new positions on platinum. We already had our silver position running at $17.69 per ounce with a significant breakout, 9% breakout to the upside just on Monday. This has been an immense move that we've seen just since last week. Again, everything has been documented, so feel free, go back to our channel last week, go back to the week ahead commodity report. We've discussed with you Bank of America, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs. All of them have been preparing their clients for what they perceive as one of the most profitable quarters on record. Look how the 1st of October started. Look at the immense capital inflows into the market. And we can see that a lot of traders out there, unfortunately, they got caught with their pants down here, shorting into the market. In fact, even that article yesterday came out on Zero Hedge, which suggested that yesterday was the biggest vaporization of sell shorts in history, as the majority of the market, unfortunately, got it completely wrong. You likely, if you follow this channel, if you follow our content, did not get it wrong. So I congratulate you. So with that, what can we expect over the rest of this week? So you have China on their 1-week public holidays over the course of this week. Alongside that, we've also got Israel on their public holidays over Tuesday and Wednesday. Friday, we've got non-farm payroll. As you mentioned to you before, during thinner liquidity, this creates more exaggerated moves in the market in either direction. So again, silver broke out 9% on Monday. Biggest one-day move since February of 2021. We've got platinum prices. They are now up 10% in the last week. In fact, even on top of that, silver prices in the last week, they're up 14%. Gold prices, they are up 5%. So hopefully you've been capitalizing on this. Again, gold prices, they're now trading back above 1,700 US dollars per ounce. It's been a 1,000-point move from the low to the high just from Wednesday last week when we detailed out to you the massive buy opportunity. Again, just go back to our reports last week. Go back to the week ahead commodity report. Go back to Thursday's report. Go back to Tuesday's report. We're doing this to help you. So I do hope that many of you have been able to capitalize massively on these breakouts in the last week. So again, throughout this week, our main job right now is actually to bank more profits. We're in a windful amount of profit. We continue to scale out and bank into strength, but we are seeing a slingshot move higher here for the metals. So really our main job again is not to enter new trades or FOMO or getting higher because we've been so early into these trades. Our main job is now to scale out our profits, which we have a lot of, and we continue to do so over the course of this week and of course throughout this month. But the real trick is to buy in nice and early, as we have done when most of the market is panicking, when you see extreme fear in the market. That is the perfect opportunity for you to sniper in, catch the lows, and then just benefit of these huge impulse moves higher that we're seeing at the moment across the board for commodities. So again, over the course of this week, we're looking to scale out of more profits. You do have non-farm payroll on Friday, so expect more volatility off the back of that. Gold is currently trading back above $1,700 per ounce. You've got silver at the moment trading just under $21 per ounce. We have platinum trading back above $900 per ounce. So with that, if you would like to join a community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, utilize data, statistics, market intelligence, ditch those outdated technical analysis, indicators or strategy. It's 2022, the age of data. They will not work in these markets. You get chopped up all the time. You get squeezed out of these massive positions where we've been building in with you, stacking into these positions on the metals in order to capitalize on a windfall amount of profit. Further align that with the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, how the banks, hedge funds, money managers, and also commercial positions in the market, how they are positioned. That will help you massively. Further align that with the narratives, the fundamentals, the macroeconomics, and of course the key areas of liquidity, the seasonality, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles for each commodity, and further align that with data, statistics, and market intelligence. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders and learn our professional research-driven program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.